going to continue from where we stop. Hmm. This thing. Now I'm going to pick the book. Student who wants to carry somebody's book. Okay, what I will do, I will go to his front. Uh-huh. Yeah, I got a book. Ah. Ah. Okay, excellent. Yeah. Yeah. Let me even stop looking at the level. What? Oh. Hmm. Let's pray. Hey. Come like this. Go down like this. This is tricky. Come like this. Go down like this. You have to be very careful. You can't go up now. Go up. Then you can cross straight. Okay. No. Okay. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. You're welcome to this game. Window. What? That's crazy. Alright. Like, oops. Electric shock. I'm gonna finish this game. Up. No, 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 no. It's not supposed to be like that now. Okay, let me see. I'll come like this. Carry my hand. Come. Oh God. Let me see. I go here straight. Yeah. Thank you for joining. Please subscribe and like, share, and comment. Let me know where you're watching from. And let me see if I enjoy this game. Go to the back. Pass like. Yay! The guy just carry his fish and then run away. So why do you stop like that? Right, if you start here, this is the right way. Careful, careful, careful. Go now. Go all the way up. Go all the way up. Yeah. Thank you for the likes. This game is just to grab that thing fast. Go. No. Thank you for the like. And once it go down. Hops. Okay. I have to be fast. Guys, please subscribe. I gotta be fast. If you're not fast, you're not gonna pick it up. So, birthday cake. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Oh, I like this one. Birthday cake. I don't know how I'm going to get this thing out of this place. Close. This thing is blocking me. Then I will just go. Come on now, move your hand. There. Pick up. No, now. You're supposed to pick that thing fast and leave. See these guys, enjoy her birthday here. Where are you? People should get this out of the screen now. Now my game is spending. Not that this part is hard though. It's because on this app, there's this thing that is blocking this place. And YouTube, you should just do away this thing now. No, I can't even highlight that man. It is there. There are a lot of people are watching this game. Is there no way I can carry this option from this place? Like to make this game now you lose. To be as if you're the one that doesn't even know what you're doing. Sorry, guys. Thank you for the like. This is cool. So where should I pick this in now? Okay, then this. Hello, Purity. Purity, how are you? Okay. Purity, how you doing? Okay, let me see if I can back to us. Purity, thank you for joining. Where you watching me from? You're welcome. Okay, do I pick this cake? Okay, let me just go fast and then carry the cake and come out. That's what I'll do. Go fast. Yeah, sure. Yeah. So that was what I needed to do. Purity, thank you for joining. Careful. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. What else?
Yes.
Hello? Putti. Katerina, how are you? Thank you for joining. Wait, I'm playing game, boy. You want to play game? See what that is doing. You want to see what that is doing? It's playing game. I'm playing game with my friends here on YouTube. Do you see them? Okay.
Do you?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip 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 hip. Say hooray. Hip 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 hip. Hip 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 hip. Hip 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 hip. Hip 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 hip. Hip 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 hip. Careful, yeah, don't fall. All right, let's do this, guys. I'm gonna get this birthday cake. I'll come all the way from here and then it is it. Wait. See what you have done, boy. Just watch me. See what I'm. You just watch me. Watch Daddy and see what Daddy is doing. Okay?
Daddy. Daddy.
Wait.
Daddy. Daddy.
See what you're doing. Okay, let me play cartoon for you. Go and watch. Okay? Stop disturbing me. Stop climbing that extension. Stop. Gasha. Yeah, I'm from Nigeria. See this blanket? Blanket is everywhere stored. Oops. Okay, I have to go down here. Pass where the key is. Pass here. Cinema. Wait. Let me play cartoon for you. Go. Go. Baby shark, do. Baby shark, do. Baby shark. Mommy shark, do. Mommy shark, do. Daddy shark, do. Daddy shark. Grandma shark, do. Wait. Move back. Oh, I love Nigeria. I am from Zimbabwe. Alright, thank you for loving me. See, Baba FM. Alright, thank you. How is Zimbabwe today? Let me play for you. Wait, let me play for you. Hello, play. Okay, let me play hello plane for you. Hello plane for Daddy. Hello plane. Hello plane. Sorry guys, let me attend to my boy before I need to play hello plane for him at home. How is Zimbabwe today? Come on, take. Go. Go and give mommy. Go. Take. No? That's not that. You see? People that were watching, they all left. Go. Mm-hmm. Wait. Go and sit there and watch. Leave it. Laddie. Alright guys, let's do this. Leave it, it will go. Sit down there. Rami. Mm-hmm. Alright, I've settled him, so let's play this game. Sorry for the break. Guys, if you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. What am I going to get here? The phone. What would you want to carry this person's phone now? Okay, let me see. Activate to. Okay. It's obvious that I have to. Come here. Grab. Next time if you're in the cinema, make sure you put your phone where somebody is hiding here. And police is looking for this guy. Why would he come and be hiding? You see, this is how sometimes I help police. They will catch you. Yeah, God, it's crazy. What am I taking? Is this the wallet? What am I taking here? Guys, what am I taking here? I am in South Africa now. I'll be visiting Nigeria. Wow. When will you be visiting Nigeria? When will you be visiting Nigeria? And how is South Africa today? Go and sit down and watch your stuff. Are you a content creator? Are you a YouTuber? Oops. What? No one can open. Go and watch cartoon. Okay, so what do you do for a living? That you travel around the world. Okay, so tell me. Okay, let me see if I can pick this thing. Please, if you are watching me, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this live stream for people to watch. What is bringing you to Nigeria? Okay, let me use some trick to pick this in. Yes. Careful. And this one activates too. That's it. I love this game. I'm going to play this game till finished. Oh, he locked the water so that I will not bath. Can you imagine? This cat, what are you doing here? I'm waiting for the bus. You mean the bus that will take you to Nigeria? Or which bus? I need to wear my clothes. How am I going to pass here? Okay. What's that? Hey, where do you get this? Go and give on. Okay, I think you mean the bus that is going to take it back to your house. I believe so. Okay, I know what to do. Do I need to grab them at the same time? Okay. If I finish this game, what reward am I going to get? Although I still have a long way to go, Sha. It's not easy. What's that? Yamakola? Come here. Something. Eesh. The name of this game is Thief Puzzle. Thief Puzzle. I need that paper. Can I come here? Is this activated? Yes. So I have to be careful. Go straight. Ah! Eh? Kijk bij hem, ja, weet je, So, let's see. I'm coming. Okay, where are you going? Please subscribe to my channel and comment on my video. Please subscribe, comment on my video, comment on my videos. What am I getting from here? So I want to collect that one. I have to. Oops. Okay, just testing. Let me see if this. Beautiful. Oof. That's crazy, man. This guy is running with the wallet. Go like this on top of this. Guys, welcome. Thank you for joining. Happy to have you here. Go like that. Come here. Please don't forget to subscribe. Need to bring the blinds down. What do you need? Oh, trying to sleep. Okay, no, this game is making no sense. Again. Just on the hand, but not over. No, the issue, wish I want to phone to see you. Imagine, can you? If I win this game, I will get an award. If I play the whole game, yeah, welcome back. So tell me what is bringing you to Nigeria? What are you coming to Nigeria to do? Sugar in my kahana. Talk on wake up. I know I'll go up there. Let me see. Come here. Welcome back. Purity. Yeah. We're making progress. Among those games that YouTube have here, this is the most played game because about 50 something million people are playing this game, or they have played the game. It's the top game. So I want to be one among the first people. These are the first 10, 110 that play this game till they finish. I want to break that record. If you look, the game is level. Okay, let's get the banana. Come like this. Okay. Punya apa ini dia ni? Punya lu share lah. Orang mana? Yang lu ngomong gula ada. Tadung gula kan. Or even those people are hungry. They marry. What do you mean they're doing? The mirror. The mirror. What's the meaning of that? Okay. So what took you to South Africa? That's all. Don't need to waste time. This one is simple now. Guys, please like, share, subscribe. Thomas Paul. Have fun. Where are you going? Wow, level 200. So I have 199 to finish this game. Join me, guys. what we call kunu. This guy wants to sleep. Hmm? I just want to help you sleep now. This chicken that you want to enjoy yourself. To the bed. What is your name? My name is Shima. My name is Shima. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is where we have all those beautiful parks. And there's one waterfall, I think in Zimbabwe. Yeah, I think it's in Zimbabwe. They have that waterfall. One of the biggest waterfall in Africa. If you want to see me on TikTok, go to write Akile, AKILE 102. AKILE 102. You check on TikTok, you find me. On TikTok, AKILE 102. Yes. Hmm? Just easy. Okay, so I have to be fast to pick up that. Okay. Stop. Stop home and go. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Oh, so the dog was holding my clothes. At the gear.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
Daddy,
Couldn't have finished. I mean, it's not alcohol. So when you love, you want to go and remove your shoes. This game is so funny. They don't want people to enjoy their love. Judith, take collaboration. How are you doing? I've not seen you or hear from you for a long time. Oh, Judith, how are you here, Nana? Quiet girl. How is that side? I'm fine, thank you. I thank God. Hi. You two are not on TikTok again. I don't see you on TikTok again. This one's hard though. Kai, oh. See the way this game is now. 300. See, we reach. I mean, 400. No, I'm still on TikTok, but you still see my post chat. I'm still on TikTok. But can't they let you push? Okay, let me see. Maybe as I'm coming from this side, this one will not touch me. Maybe I'm not sure. Oh, it's true. This one is taking a selfie. This one's fine. Oops. Don't worry, I'm not kunu. We better do kunu. Why we are as a source of the one. Yeah, me. How? Zai hawk kunu. Waga. The guy just took the fish and ran. Guys, like, share, subscribe. Have to be fast. Okay, go. Oh, bingo. Aku mahal kelaga. Hindi tong rawa in fridge. You're going that fast. Hey, you going to do it to me, man? You are man. That do Hannah. The guy was just wasting time. How to free this dog. You're going to come and free you and making noise. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys later. I need to rest. Bye. Let me rest this game now. Oh, Jesus. Can you call her?
You didn't speak in. No, they hear what?